Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're gonna study the killer combination ScrapeLi plus Walid AI. So first of all, first thing we need a competitor. For example, in our case, a competitor for us will be HeyRich or Wallax, but it could be another kind of company. For example, if you have a recruiting agency, you can use the LinkedIn page of Factorial or the LinkedIn page of another recruiting agencies to try to scrape their followers. So the first software we're gonna use in this case is ScrapeLi. ScrapeLi is a software that helps you download a database. It will be like exported to Google Sheets of all the followers of a competitor of your solution or your company. For example, in my case, I wanna download like the followers that Instantly AI has on LinkedIn to send them like a prospecting message. So first thing, I just need to copy the Instantly URL. Then I will go to dashboard on ScrapeLi. I will just paste the URL like this. I will add like how many followers I want to scrape, and that's it. And I will buy the order. Once the order has been completed, I will have something like this where I can just open the Google Sheets and I have downloaded like all these 4,000 users, followers, sorry, that I am getting from the company page of Instantly. Once we have done this, we can like clean a little bit the Google Sheet page, for example, to remove some emojis or some stuff. And we are ready to go. Once we are here, we just need to copy the URL, and then we will go to Walid AI. Walid AI is our LinkedIn automation software. So we will just go create a new campaign. For example, in this case, we have already created it's instantly followers. So it will be really easy to upload because we have an integration with Google Sheets. So we just need to paste the URL, import from Google Sheets, choose the LinkedIn URL, first name, last name, blah, blah, blah. We can make it dynamic or not. In this case, it doesn't make any sense. So after some seconds, it will be uploaded. You can see we already have all the lead database. Once we have done this, we just need to upload some LinkedIn accounts to the software to use them for this prospecting campaign, and then we will add the accounts here, and then we can start with the sequence. For example, in my case, I am sending first of all an invitation, so then we will wait 3 days. Once the invitation is accepted, this is the message that we are going to send. For example, hey Abdullah, saw you following instantly. Same here. I am a big fan. That's exactly why I built instantly for LinkedIn. It's called Walid AI, and for just 97 euros per month, you get unlimited LinkedIn accounts and unlimited campaigns. Super smooth, super scalable. Want to do a quick demo? You will be surprised how close it feels to instantly, but for LinkedIn. So now you guys are getting some ideas about how to use both ScrapeLi plus Walid to do this same exact thing, but for your business and attack users of another software of your space or of another competitor, right? Then in my case, we are waiting some days. Let me check. Yeah, 5 days. And then we are sending this second message. This second message will be sent only if the user doesn't reply to the first one, right? This second message is, hi Abdul, before building Walid, I ran a marketing agency, blah, 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 and then some numbers. Over 100 agencies in Spain are using Walid AI to scale up on LinkedIn safely and automatically with just 5 LinkedIn accounts, 4,000 invites a month. That will mean approximately between 80 and 100 meetings. So that's my campaign. What do you think, guys? Please drop a comment in the comment section. Bye.